For 17 years now, Bharatiya Samagana Sabha has worked with a singular mission to act as a bridge between the past and the present, to ensure that the complex traditions of our past reaches the future generations. Bharatiya Samagana Sabha isn't just preserving music, they're ensuring that the heartbeat of India's cultural legacy stays strong, stays vibrant, and stays victorious for generations to come. Jayate, Vijayate, Vijayate, Samagana. Namaskara, Mahodaya.
Namaste, namaste.
Your composition talks about music being the breath of life and as a divine science. How does Samagana act as a bridge between the wisdom that the ancient rishis pass on to us and the Vedas pass on to us to the music that we listen to in today's life?
Definitely, you see, first of all, we should see that our culture is deeply rooted in the Vedas. Among the Vedas, the Samaveda appears to be the most important because Krishna himself in the Bhagavad Gita has said, Vedanam Samavedosmi. Among all Vedas, I am Samaveda, like that. And it is also important to note that the Samaveda has more than 1000 branches. In the Mahabhashya on Panini's grammar, Patanjali observes Sahasravartma Samaveda. Samaveda has 1000 ways. And therefore, there was a time in our country where in each village there were scholars that could speak, that could recite the Samaveda very perfectly. And therefore, whenever we think of music and musicology, first of all we see that the origin is the Samaveda. For the Samaveda, Sangeeta Shastra is the Upaveda. And therefore, the Samaveda plays such a very important role in the cultural history of our country. And therefore, it is right that we praise it and raise it to higher heights.
In today's stressful modern world, how are we going to adapt that? How does the yoga of raga help us in today's life?
Actually, in today's life, that is the most important thing.
Right.
Everyone has one or the other problem regarding the psychological questions that arise in modern life. And therefore, we have to understand that there are answers found by our ancient seers and sages. And there, what we find is the therapeutic value of different sounds. These sounds create different vibrations in our brains, and therefore, it is necessary to listen to the proper sounds. Bhadram karne vishrunuyama deva.
Thank you, Mahodaya, for giving us such a meaningful and such an insightful composition. He is the poet behind the lyrics of Vijayate Vijayate Samagana, curated by Bharatiya Samagana Sabha. Namaskara, Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Thank you for
Namaste.
being with
Thank
us.
you for this great opportunity.
Namaskara. We have Padma Shri awardees Vidushis Ranjani and Gayatri with us. Swagatam. Namaskara.
Namaskara. It's wonderful to meet you and talk about this beautiful project Vijayate Samagana.
When you were doing this song, the lyrics per se, penned by Vidwan H.V. Nagaraj Rao, it is so steeped in Shastric Sanskrit and it is also inspired by the Vedas. So, how did you go about looking into the phonetics and the diction to ensure that it also resonates with the right spiritual power?
Growing up in Mumbai, our ears has been exposed to a lot of languages, particularly Marathi and Malayalam, both which have very, very deep and profuse Sanskrit vocabulary. And I think that has helped tune our diction and our ears to the nuance of the Sanskrit phonetics and pronunciation. And I think that is one. The other is our journey over the past 5 years singing devotional stotras like the Lalita Sahasranama,
Subramanya Bhujangam, Kamakshi
Stotra, Kanakadhara Stotra has definitely sharpened the attention on the pronunciation. The difference, for instance, between Sha and Sha, and the exactitude of that, the Alpa Pranas, the Mahapranas, all of that. So I think it has been a journey of understanding and growth. So it has definitely sensitized us.
Also, you understand when you look at the lyrics, you understand the cadence and the rhythm of the lyrics and the bhava of the lyrics, and then you try to fit that emotion into ragas and express them.
When you speak about ragas, when you look at the lyrics of H.V. Nagaraj Rao, it talks about the essence of the Shastras being defining the swaras and defining the ragas. So, how do you go about deciding which raga to choose so that it balances the technicalities of the Samagana as well as brings in the Bhakti Bhava that the Puranas talk of?
Music breaks down the barrier that any perceived distance between the language and the heart may be there to dissolve the distance. And that is how it was. So we felt that Ranjani is a very Ranjakamana raga, we say, very pleasing, such a language that communicates effortlessly to the emotion. And also, it is a very lyric rich composition. There are multiple verses, which each verse talking about a different aspect of Shastra and Purana. It's a very scholarly work, and therefore we wanted a certain continuity in the story, because each verse, though it is on different aspects, there is a strand of continuity running through the song, and that is why we thought of choosing Ranjani ragas. The Ranjani being the first raga.
The common thread.
Correct.
and then you have various other Ranjanis out of it. Like,
Right.
of course, we have the Ranjini Mala, which is very famous. Sri Ranjini, Jana Ranjini, all those are traditional Ranjanis. But we thought we should also include other Ranjanis, which will make it very contemporary too. When we express these age-old values. So, Shiv Ranjini even, Karna Ranjini,
Sumanesha
Sumanesha
Ranjini.
yeah.
So I think what we have done is to weave it all into every verse will change the mood subtly, but it will flow back into the main theme, Vijayate Vijayate Samagana. So the first line will be in the new raga, and then Vitanute will go back into the ranj. So there is a sense of blossoming, a new color emerging, blending back into the old color. I think that is the uh, bhava that we have kept in mind.
So when you spoke about bhava, the song also talks about the saptaswaras, not just blossoming the life for a person, but also in terms of healing and taking care of disorders per se. So how do you bring in that element of bhava into the song such that the listeners not just feel the melody, but they're also able to transcend that and achieve that sense of ananda or fulfillment? How do you go about with achieving that bhava?
When we set to music the verses, when you talked about Saptaswara Virajitam, Vayu Puranokta Saptaswara Virajitam, the thought behind that is Saptaswara Virajitam. So we wanted all the Saptaswaras to be there in that phrase. Sani da pamagari sa in a line. So that was the musical thought behind that tune of that Saptaswara. So and Karna Ranjini probably was one of the very few ragas in Ranjini where we could get the Saptaswaras in line, because most Ranjinis are 5-note ragas or something. So that is the theoretical reasoning. But beyond these details, I think the capacity to feel the music and the lyric is something that you develop and get into that space through sadhana, to put it simply. Because no matter how much you do voice practice or diction practice or raga choices, at that moment the music should flow through you, resonate the right way.
Thank you so much for composing it and doing such a fantastic job out of it and for spending that time with us.
Thank you so much
Namaskara.
for giving us the opportunity to share the behind the,
The
composer's
pleasure is
mind.
all ours.
So let us end with saying Vijayate Samagana.
Thank you. Vijayate Vijayate Samagana, a poem authored by Dr. H.V. Nagaraj Rao, talks about the glory of music as seen in Sanatana Dharma through the Vedas, the Puranas, and the Shastras. It talks about the spiritual values, the therapeutic benefits, and the foundations of music as seen through the Shastras. It bridges the gap between the traditions of the Upanishads and the teachings of Sanatana Dharma with today's modern living and classical music as we view it today. The song has been tuned and sung by Padma Shri awardees Vidushis Ranjini and Gayatri. The song is a beautiful amalgamation of the perfect diction in Sanskrit, an evocative exploration of the ragas, and a mellifluous composition that touches the soul. We present Vijayate Vijayate Samaganam as a cultural compass to the current younger generation, with a reminder that even though the styles evolve, the eternal Sanatana Dharma and the values of the Upanishads will remain forever. A reminder to us that Samagana is ever victorious and ever eternal.
सर्वे पुराणनिवहैरपि घोष्यमाणम् सर्वे पुराणनिवहैरपि घोष्यमाणम् श्रीनारदादिमुनि बोधित मूलतत्त्वम् मूलतत्त्वं रागस्वरादि रागस्वरादि सकलेष्ट दशास्त्रसारं वन्देद्य सामनिगमम् भगवत्स्वरूपं वन्देद्य सामनिगमं भगवत्स्वरूपं विजयते विजयते सामगानं विजयते विजयते सामगानं वितनुते वितनुते ज्ञानदानं 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 विजयते विजयते सर्ववेदघोषितं सकलागमपोषितं सर्ववेदघोषितं सकलागमपोषितं सर्ववेदघोषितं सकलागमपोषितं सर्ववेदघोषितं सकलागमपोषितं ऋषिगणेन लालितं नृपसमूहपालितं ऋषिगणेन लालितं नृपसमूहपालितं ऋषिगणेन लालितं नृपसमूहपालितं विजयते विजयते सामगानं वितनुते वितनुते ज्ञानदानं विजयते विजयते वायुपुराणोक्त सप्तस्वर विराजितं वायुपुराणोक्त सप्तस्वर विराजितं आयुषोऽपि दीर्घतां ददानमल्वहं वायुपुराणोक्त सप्तस्वर विराजितं आयुषोऽपि दीर्घतां ददानमल्वहं रागरूपमूलकारणं रागरूपमूलकारणं मुदान्वितं रागरूपमूलकारणं मुदान्वितं रोगहरण भोगकरण शतमद्भुतं रोगहरण भोगकरण शतमद्भुतं विजयते विजयते सामगानं वितनुते वितनुते ज्ञानदानं विजयते विजयते सामगानम् रागयोगसाधकं प्रत्यगात्मबोधकं भागवतं कृष्णवेणुगानशोभितं रागयोगसाधकं प्रत्यगात्मबोधकं सर्वदोषबाधकं सकलपापरोधकं सर्वदोषबाधकं सकलपापरोधकं सामवेदसदाधारसंस्थितं महोन्नतं सामवेदसदाधारसंस्थितं महोन्नतं विजयते विजयते सामगानं वितनुते वितनुते ज्ञानदानं विजयते विजयते सामगानम् नारदीयपुराणेन सुष्ठुवर्णितं गौतमादिमुनिभिरत्र साधुदर्शितं नारदीयपुराणेन सुष्ठुवर्णितं गौतमादिमुनिभिरत्र साधुदर्शितं सकललोकतोषकं भक्तियोगपोषकं सकललोकतोषकं भक्तियोगपोषकं सामदान भेददण्ड मूलकारणं सामदान भेददण्ड मूलकारणं विजयते विजयते सामगानं वितनुते वितनुते ज्ञानदानं विजयते विजयते ललितकलामूलकन्दमेतदाश्रितं विश्वहर्षसिन्धुवीचि रूपमुन्नतं ललितकलामूलकन्दमेतदाश्रितं विश्वहर्षसिन्धुवीचि रूपमुन्नतं रागतालदानगीता रागतालदानगीता रूपदायकं रागतालदानगीता रूपदायकं धर्म दर्शनादिशास्त्र निकरनायकं धर्म दर्शनादिशास्त्र निकरनायकं विजयते विजयते सामगानं 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 वितनुते वितनुते ज्ञानदानं विजयते विजयते सामगानं सामगानं भारतीय सामगानम् विजयते विजयते सामगानं विजयते विजयते सामगानं विजयते विजयते सामगानं